If you've had pain below your kneecap for weeks or months, the biggest mistake may be resting too much. Today, I'll show you 2 research-backed exercise strategies that can help reduce pain and help your tendon become stronger. Research now shows that patellar tendinopathy is mainly a problem of how the tendon handles load, not simply due to inflammation. While temporarily reducing aggravating activities may help during flare-up, long-term recovery comes from gradually rebuilding the tendon's capacity through progressive loading. Many people expect treatments like massage, ultrasound, or anti-inflammatory treatments to fix the problem. While these may provide temporary symptom relief, the strongest evidence shows that progressive loading is a foundation of long-term recovery because it improves the tendon's ability to handle load. The first exercise strategy is isometrics, where you hold a position without movement. Isometric exercises often reduce pain by activating your body's natural pain-relieving system, a phenomenon known as exercise-induced hypoalgesia. At home, your first option is a wall sit. Slide down until your knees are around 90 degrees. If that's too painful, start a little higher around 110 degrees. Hold the position for 30 to 45 seconds. If you can do 30 seconds initially, you can build up gradually depending on your tolerance. Take a short break and repeat it for a total of 5 sets. As your pain improves and this exercise becomes easier, we can progress to a single leg wall sit to place more load on the tendon. Another excellent option is a Spanish squat, using a strong rigid strap or a heavy-duty band anchored behind your knees. If you're at the gym, you can perform the same type of isometric hold on a leg press or a knee extension machine. Aim for 5 sets of 45-second holds. These isometric exercises often provide temporary pain relief, making the strengthening exercises that follow more comfortable. Once your symptoms are more stable and these exercises are no longer very painful, it's time for phase 2, building tendon capacity. We do this using heavy, slow resistance training, which has strong evidence for improving pain, function, and tendon health. The key is slow, controlled tempo, about 3 seconds down and 3 seconds up. At home, excellent options include split squats, controlled step downs, perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. If you have access to a gym, excellent choices include the leg press, hack squat, and knee extension machine. Choose a weight that allows you to perform 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions with a good technique and controlled movement. As the exercises become easier, gradually increase the weight or resistance. A lot of people ask, should it hurt? Is it okay to do exercises with pain? We often use a pain monitoring model. Some discomfort during exercise is okay, often up to 3 out of 10, as long as the pain settles afterward and the pain isn't significantly worse on the next day. As your strength improves and your symptoms remain well controlled, gradually introduce energy storage exercises such as hopping, skipping, and jumping before progressing to sport-specific skills. Remember, tendon recovery is usually measured in months, not days, but with a structured rehab program, appropriate load progression, and consistency, most people can successfully return to the activities and sports they enjoy. Thank you for watching.